Version 4 is here, the Atomic Editor, a new foundation for professional web creation. One that delivers consistency, control, speed, and scale. The Atomic Editor is designed to move forward with you, meaning it doesn't replace what you've already built in version 3. It works alongside it, with new elements and existing widgets working together, while your existing sites and layouts stay exactly as they are. At the core of the Atomic Editor are atomic elements, your new building blocks. Instead of inconsistent widget structures, everything is now built from smaller, predictable pieces that you can control individually, with optimized code in single div wrappers, designed for speed and performance. Now with variables, a decision you make once can update everywhere instantly. Classes bring that same logic into complete layout and styling patterns, so instead of repeating work across pages, changes that used to take you hours or even days now take single clicks, and your designs always stay consistent. Components let you define a structure once, reuse it across your site, and update it everywhere in seconds. But the real power is control. You can log in the layout and styling to admins only, and allow clients or teams to edit only the content that you defined. This way, content stays flexible, while structure and design stay protected. And with Angie, you can generate production-ready components using the same atomic standard with the speed of AI, while still being able to edit every single pixel, turning ideas into reusable building blocks instantly. This is a new foundation for how professional websites are built. So, update to version 4 now. Welcome to the Atomic Editor.